Hey, hello! Welcome in a new video. We are in Spain. Well, I'm alone, not alone. My wife and my son, if they turn 16, they can come with us for a weekend. And now it's time for my son's 16th birthday trip. But he didn't had any choice of destination, so we chose for him. For him, it's always the same. He only wants one thing, food. That's the only thing. The reason that we are in Spain, I will explain later. We chose this trip and he was fine with it. But we have to do something here. And maybe in the end of this vlog or in the vlog tomorrow, definitely in the vlog tomorrow, I will tell you what's the reason why we are here. Now we're going to pick our luggage there. We're going to pick our car and then we're going to eat something, breakfast. So my son is happy. If he's hungry, he's not happy. Today, going to see first Alicante in Costa Blanca. That's very funny. Normally, I was planning that you can do a castle in Alicante, a ruined castle. Arco was saying, again, a castle, like in south of England, we did only castles and cities. Are you kidding me that we are going to Spain and we're going to see a castle? Okay, let's see what we can do besides the castle. But first we're going to eat, that he's happy. So we have the key of the car and now we go to the castle.
First, we're gonna get some food.
Told you. Oh, is that our car? Yeah. Oh my god. Nice. Did I choose right? Appa. I think this is very narrow to get in. Look, I don't have much space to get in. How do I get in?
Okay.
Oh, it's too far, my chair. We have parked the car. We are in Alicante, just on the side of Alicante, and I saw on TripAdvisor that we could eat in Baker & Co. Let's eat breakfast. So I have some bread and then eggs. You have a lot of pancakes with Nutella,
Yes.
chocolate, eggs, and you have a healthy breakfast.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit. So we have arrived at the castle of Alicante. Arco is very happy. We haven't seen any castles this year.
First time.
It's a different one. This is like a beige brown one, and in England it was all grey. And we have to hike up after the breakfast. It's really a little climb.
And it's also in a different country.
It's
so
in a different country.
No.
It's a Spanish one.
It's not hot.
It's not hot?
You can't complain.
Yes, I can.
Let's see this castle. Very important to know that the entrance of this castle is free. So this is really cool. Not a lot of things are free in this world anymore to visit. And there are also toilets There's a shop, there's a restaurant up there. So yeah, I don't know how big it is, but let's see. It's a nice weather. It's like 20 degrees, perfect for the winter. Every day you can see a live stage of the
Rolling Stones.
Rolling Stones. You should say it's a dad joke, but no, it was a narco joke. And I thought it was good.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite scene. Look.
Look. They are not rolling. They are
They are
lying still circles, stones. Yeah, English is very good, eh?
Oh, oui.
Yeah, oui. It's really cool. It's really cool to see. And the view is amazing. Well, a view besides the Rolling Stones. So this is the furthest point that you can go. This is the highest point and also the oldest place of the castle. And it goes back to the 15th century. So it's a really old castle. There was first like a mini castles, a piece, and then they built a piece around it. A lot of civil wars. So castles were really important until a certain point that castles were not always taken. Like 10 years later was taken again, 50 years later was taken again, and then they saw that a castle was not enough to defend a country, and they started building walls everywhere. Back in the mid-ages, there was a castle and a few houses around, farmers. That was the main thing of protection. But in Europe, you have a lot of castles in different forms. So if you see there, in the distance there, you also see defense walls. So you have that in every town, you have it everywhere. Even in Villajoyosa, we go this afternoon and we will stay for a few days. There you also see defense walls. A lot of history in Europe. So for the people who are coming with tram or are sleeping in Alicante or you are parked at the harbor with a special sidewalk, you can take the elevator until the top here of the castle. You don't have to walk up, so you can take an elevator. So this is good arranged for people who are less mobile. I like this castle, I really like it. It's really beautiful with the palm trees. It's really a vibe that we haven't seen in England. It's different. You have to admit that. Give me that. Give me that. It's different.
It's a castle.
It's different.
It's a castle. I like palm trees, but it's a castle.
Ah, he liked the palm trees. There are actually cannonballs still stuck in the wall. Of course, they made it more tight now, so they stay there. It's cool to see that the cannonballs are still stuck in the wall. Cool. This is actually a thing that you can do if it's a little bit less hot weather, if it's a little bit cloudy like now. So it's still 21 degrees now, but if you go up and down, it's more doable if it's not 30 or 35 degrees. If you are here and there's one day of a little bit of less weather, you can do this. In the next years, we're going to show you so much you can do here in this area, Costa Blanca in Spain. We're going to be here a lot and we're going to show you how beautiful this area is. Slowly, we have fallen in love with this area. This was one of the first McDonald's in medieval times.
$1,575.
The
The first year where everything was built.
on the top, I said that was the first piece that was there. Yeah.
1709.
So it's like 150 years later.
A little bit different. On top there are more
Castle.
buildings,
Yeah.
castles, a little bit more buildings,
Yeah.
people.
And then this,
Then we have 1986, and this is what it's
like now.
like now. A few buildings where few cannons. On top it's a little bit more expanded.
The first town that was found in the Roman times, it was not Alicante. It was nearby, where we ate breakfast. That's there nearby. You can visit that ruins. But it was called Lucentum. And Lucentum was the name of the ancient town Alicante in the Roman times. So that's how you see it. And in some other year, maybe next year, we will visit that ruins of Lucentum. So we are in the center of Alicante now. My son is thirsty, so we're going to drink something and we're going to take a little stroll. We have never been in Alicante before. See what we encounter, and then we head to Villajoyosa. Yes, but first drinking and seeing what Alicante has to offer. Of course, if it's sunny, it will be more beautiful, but not today. So you have Calvin Klein, and here you have cling ding cling, cling 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 ding, cling ding, ding. So we bought an umbrella. Who thought about that?
I don't want to say much here, but the umbrella doesn't feel that
Table?
yes,
Oh,
it's
it's €5.
it feels like it's gonna fall
It's
apart
€5.
any minute.
So I didn't thought I would buy an umbrella in Spain, but hey, it has to rain everywhere. And listen, it's better to have sunshine, but I don't care. We're not going to walk a long way here in Alicante because of the rain. We're going to drive to the apartment in Villajoyosa, then we're going to eat something, and then we're going to see, hopefully, if we can do some bowling.
Yeah.
It's raining, so it's raining until tomorrow, so we're going to do some bowling. This will be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better than a castle.
Oh!
It broke.
Oh no! Our umbrella from €5. You broke it! Oh no! So we have arrived in the new place. Going to explain later why we are sleeping here. Let's find out what our apartment is. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the living room.
Beautiful
and the
apartment.
kitchen.
And the kitchen.
Then we have
Nice kitchen.
the light.
No.
After
Yes.
we got the lights. This is the first bedroom.
Whoa. This is a big one.
And then we have the second bedroom.
No. Oh, second bedroom. Okay.
If you want to sleep far from each other.
And
And then you have the shower.
the shower. Nice shower.
Very good shower.
Oh.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh wow.
Wow. It's really beautiful apartment.
You have a next bedroom. Bathroom.
Bathroom, yes.
Very good. So this was a tour, guys. See you guys in the next video.
So the apartment is really beautiful, really beautiful. It's already 4:30. We only ate breakfast. We're going to eat something in the town Villajoyosa. It's Villajoyosa written with a V, but in Spanish it's a V is a B, like vamos is vamos. So this is Villajoyosa, also known as La Villa. It's really, really a beautiful town with all colorful houses. And why did they paint their houses really in all colors? It's for the fishermen. It was an old fisherman town, and they colored all their houses in all different colors so the fishermen could find their way back home. So really beautiful, and they kept that. Really, really, really cool. Of course, it's more beautiful when the sun is out, but we will show you a little piece of Villajoyosa. We're going to eat something. This is an area just beside the town. You can walk like 10 minutes. And this side of the area is all new. It's all freshly made of the government here of Villajoyosa. And they are really upgrading this piece. And they are all new apartments that they are building to rent for tourists. We have lost our heart a little bit here in this little town. Gracias. Wow. Paella. It smells amazing. Look at that. Seafood paella. So, and you have hamburger, cheeseburger.
Yes.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Don't take it all, eh?
No,
What is that?
something nice.
Something nice, yes? Limoncello. So that was really, really good paella. Was it good?
Yes.
Yes. So we're not going to go bowling. We have to drive like 15 minutes driving and then walking in Benidorm to go bowling, and we are very tired because we were awake from 3 o'clock. We're going to do a little stroll here in this little nice town of Villajoyosa. This is so lovely here, all these colorful houses. So we're going to walk here in these alleys and then maybe play some Uno, and then in the apartment, and then early bed because we have important meetings tomorrow here in Spain. You can say meetings. Yes, we have a few meetings here in Spain, and tomorrow we're going to say what we have to say about this lovely place here. I'm really excited, really.